Hello friends, is it possible to hack WhatsApp? Can we hack someone's WhatsApp account without QR code? Can anyone hack someone's WhatsApp number? So, in this video, I will clear you all doubts that WhatsApp hacking is possible by just knowing WhatsApp number. I also will tell you about some fake videos about WhatsApp hacking. To know this, keep watching this video till the end. Hello friends, my name is Rakesh and I welcome you on my channel Likopai. We all use WhatsApp nowadays and many of us have searched on YouTube how to hack WhatsApp. But the question is, can we hack WhatsApp? Is it possible for a normal user to hack anybody's WhatsApp account without touching victim device? There is no system in this world that cannot be hacked. Every system, every network can be hacked. Similarly, WhatsApp can also hack. As we all know that WhatsApp is a product of Facebook and security of the WhatsApp is very high and it's not easy for the normal user. To hack WhatsApp, you need high-end computer system and top level of hacking skills. Now you will say there are lots of video on WhatsApp hacking on the internet. Most of the method you will find on internet is by scanning QR code, using third-party app like spyware app and many more. Now the question is, all this method real do? They really work? Let's know more about this method one by one. Number 1 is WhatsApp hacking by using spyware app. Does it really work? You will find lots of tutorials on internet for WhatsApp hacking using spyware app. But in this method, you will need the victim's phone and you have to install a third-party app on victim phone for WhatsApp chat hacking. Without touching victim's phone, you cannot read anyone's WhatsApp chat. And also there are lots of fake app on internet that guaranteed that you can access anyone's WhatsApp. So don't believe in all this type of apps. But there are some apps which really work, but they provide you a WhatsApp chat screen only. You cannot access WhatsApp by using spyware app. Also, this method is illegal. As you all know, it is illegal to access anyone's WhatsApp account without permission. Number 2 is by using QR code. This method is also very popular on internet. You will find many tutorials for WhatsApp hacking using QR code. But this is not a hacking, it's feature that WhatsApp has provided for PC user who want to use WhatsApp on PC. To check who is using your WhatsApp account on web browser, you can simply check by clicking on WhatsApp web option in your WhatsApp setting. So this is not a hacking, it's a feature that WhatsApp has provided for PC users only. Now the third method you will find on internet is WhatsApp hacking by using spoof MAC address. Is it real? In this method, you need a victim device MAC address, but in this method, you also need a victim smartphone to know MAC address, and this method is not easy for a normal user, even for a normal hacker. So the final conclusion is you need a victim phone for a minute to hack WhatsApp account. So the final conclusion is you need a victim phone for a minute to hack WhatsApp account. Just by knowing phone number, you cannot hack anybody's WhatsApp account. So that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you have any questions, mention your questions in the comment box and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to know the more updates. Thanks for watching this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.